An electrostatic field line is a continuous curve. That is, a field line cannot have sudden breaks. The question is asking why not. And the second one is explain why two field lines never cross each other at any point. So it is a theoretical question. So I am giving you an answer. Just make sure that you are noting it down. I am not writing anything on screen. So an electrostatic field line is a continuous curve because charge experiences a continuous force when traced in an electrostatic field. The field line cannot have sudden breaks because the charge moves continuously and does not jump from one point to the other. So that is the reason why we are saying that electrostatic field line is a continuous curve. And the next question which is asking is explain why two field lines never crisscross each other at any point. It is because a tangent dropped on the electric field line gives us the direction of electric field intensity at that point. So if the two curves are crisscrossing each other, then we will get the two direction or the two tangents. That is, it will point out two directions of electric field at a particular point, which is not possible. And hence we say that electric field lines never crisscross each other.